Hello friends, today I want to give you a quick demo of Agent Swarm Studio. This is a new tool that I just built that my agent and I built to basically demo cross multi-agent collaboration. So in this scenario, I'm giving it the question, what are the biggest risks and opportunities for Rippling entering the European market? And what it does is it runs through, when you hit Ask All Agents, it actually works through and it gives the tasks to each of a micro specialized agents, a specialized lawyer agent, a specialized data researcher agent, a special marketing agent, a special sales agent. And of those, you can actually chat with each agent in their own context. So you can ask them, like, what was the summary of your last task? And as a lawyer, it will give you, has lawyer skills, and I can show you that in just a second, but it says, I was asked to analyze Rippling's European market, entry risk and opportunities from a corporation intelligence lawyer perspective, and it gives that information. The same would go for asking the data researcher or the marketing. The marketing, I can ask it, what skills do you have access to? And it will show you as well that the skills that it has access to after it, give it a second here. And then, of course, it says, these are my core capabilities. I have a specialist domain expertise, analytic frameworks, industry-specific knowledge, and then it goes on and on. But same thing, I can say, what was the summary of your last task? And the same thing, it's going to give me a summary of the Rippling question that I asked for the European market. And I chose Rippling because that is what AI suggested would be a popular topic. So just for all transparency's sake, you will see that as well. But it's sharing a Postgres database across all 4 agents. Each agent has different skills and a different specialty. And so right now, these 4 agents are legal, research, marketing, sales, revenue driven, to really kind of poke at an existing company's public knowledge. But you could also, down the road, give it other information if you wanted to. This, obviously, right now, it's what's publicly accessible through Rippling's information. That being said, once it finishes, it goes through all of this, and then it's going to come back with a summary. The summary is, as you can see, is the Rippling European market entry. Rippling is a 13.5 billion valued late stage SaaS. Key findings, goes through product and positioning analysis, competitive landscape in Europe, legal and regulatory risk inventory, GDPR, structural architecture conflict, international data transfer, exposure is high. This is critical for the GDPR structural architecture conflict. And then active litigation is moderate, SEO, risk assessment. So it kind of gives you a summary of the risk assessment with GDPR product architecture non-compliance being the critical one, and then drills down into other aspects of the business, most being medium. The highs are on the country payroll compliance build-out, works council deployment blockers, and Schrems 3 DPF invalidation. Talks about opportunities across those, highest value, primary entry market, recommendations, and then give some recommendations. But what I want to demo here is the fact that these 4 agents are working together in a collaboration. And you could ask it any question. It also has like an analyze URL, which you could do rippling. I have it set up for NextLink Labs because I work for NextLink Labs, but you could do the same thing, and it will analyze across the website. But I think the great thing is you can ask any question. You can also chat directly with the orchestrator as well. So that's the orchestrator across all 4 agents who provides the summary. And I hope that you enjoyed this demo, and I hope you'll play with the tool. You can grab it. You can use a Anthropic API token, or you can use your Claude subscription OAuth token. So, and if you have a Claude subscription for $20 a month, you can do this same thing with your Claude subscription, just running it locally with Docker. So I hope you enjoyed this. Have a great weekend. Thank you for taking the time.